Okay guys, so let's go ahead and do an update. I'm sorry about the background. I usually like to have the background cleared, but I forgot about the person on the door. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started with the update. Remember, we built 3 campaigns yesterday. I told you that we're going to run a test and test the traffic for 3 traffic sources, and we're going to modify all of our data within the 3-day rule. So let's go. Hey, yeah, I'm like super excited. I don't know how. I gotta get my kid to school in like 10 minutes, so I need to make this video really quick, the best way I can. So right now, our team is just really collaborating, trying to figure out what's our best move right now. And that's kind of what the mindset is that you should be in, is take a look at how everything performed, make sure all your campaigns got approved. So AdMaven approved me pretty late, so let's go ahead and I think by the time they got around to it, I may have maybe like 4 hours to get some volume to the campaign. Let's take a look at, we're going to sign in a zero part, see what's going on there, because that one was still pending when I went to bed, but Propeller Ads has been hard at work. So I think in relation to campaign approval, they're the ones who jumped in the first, because I had a lot of volume, well, enough volume in order to get conversions. I have to check and see how many, but it was more than 3. So what I wanted to do is, once we're not going to just play around, like the typical 3-day rule for a beginner is collect the data, make it significant, try to get at least 100 clicks per zone before you eliminate them and add them to the blacklist. We're going to do all of that, but before we do all of that, we want to increase volume to the campaign. We're just going to go ahead and try to scale it because it's profitable. We have been testing these type of offers, so we know we actually have found a pattern that works. Instead of trying to figure out a system of how fast can we launch, how much can we test. So we've been kind of playing it cool with the testing as far as creatives, because we've been getting them right the first 2, maybe first time around. So hopefully you guys hit it out the park with that. But what I'm going to do is we're going to increase the volume, because I came in and played it safe. So remember, AdMaven was talking about 32 cents, and then we jumped in here and they wanted 30 cents per click. Well, we need that. So I went down intentionally by like 5 cents lower to see if we can get any conversions with the existing volume. We are testing this on high user activity, and that means that these subscribers are 7 days or less as subscribers on this particular publisher zone. So I am going to increase the volume by doing what's been requested. So we're going to go up from 603 clicks to over an estimate of 1,100. And because we're going to go hard, now this part I did not do, but y'all know who my boss is. So if you're going to try to mimic any of the campaigns that I build and share with you guys, I'm just going to tell you right now, don't do it, because you won't get anything out of it. I guarantee it. We're going to shut down this whole geo. So I'm going to save. I think I haven't. So yeah, whenever we do something, I understand I'm giving it to you step by step. It's probably tempting, and I know people are going to be hard-headed and do it, but don't, because we're about to go heavy and hard. Okay, so I think I'm happy. The budget's already been changed. I'm not changing any creatives, and I'll show you why. So as you can see, you can make these edits as your campaign is running. It's totally different than Facebook, so you can jump on the money really quick. And within 20 minutes, it's going to increase the volume. So let me check the time in New Zealand real quick, because it's, I think it's late. I'm going to have to get a clock for New Zealand up here. Yeah, it's midnight, so I'm not going to be running any traffic. I've turned off. Oh, I haven't turned off anything. Let me look at the day parting real quick. I don't think I did it. So if I did do it, it's going to be off for another 4 hours right now. It shouldn't be running any traffic. All right, this is going hella slow for some reason. and I need to leave my house soon. So as far as Zero Part goes, I just want to check and make sure that it is up and running, some traffic, because, well, up and running and approved, because it's not going to be running any traffic. I'm pretty sure I day parted that one as well. But this one is in Eastern time, so that means with it being 7, I need to go ahead and turn it off for 1 a.m. Oh, let's do the whole row. Run 1 a.m. All right, I don't want it on for 1 to 5 a.m., okay? Why am I not able? There we go. X, X, X. I don't want it running, and you can just resume back at 7 a.m. when people are awake. I'm gonna actually go normal and do 8. Cause I wake up at 7, but I don't touch my phone. Come on, I don't. All right. Again, Zero Part has like a way easier day partying situation. All right, so I'm gonna save that. It's gonna increase the volume. Hopefully today, in about 5 hours, I'll have some higher volume, and we'll hopefully get additional conversions to the ones I already have. So we check Ad Maven. It literally barely did anything. It just started. That's fine. I just wanted to make sure I'm getting some traffic. So I'm getting clicks, but not a lot. I'll come back and optimize that later, and I'll record it. Zero Park. Let's see what's going on here. So as you can see, we got a lot going on, and the one that I have is day parting right now, and then another one is day parting, because as you can see, it's late. We're not running any traffic. This one's out of budget, so we need to increase the budget on that in a couple hours. And where's mine? Mine is active, so I've already gotten 2 conversions. Haha, yay. So let's go into volume, and I'll show you exactly how many conversions we have gotten so far. Look at that data real quick. I'm gonna go on Ad Maven and see if I can turn some things around in Ad Maven. I'm trying to give them another chance, because I did this with another campaign that I knew was winning, and I got conversions, but they weren't a lot. So I'm thinking I'm gonna let them know about themselves, because there's something up with their traffic source, where if something's happening in Zero Park and Propeller, I'm expecting something to happen in Ad Maven, and it doesn't. And my bid's not super low, and I know that my placements are not super bad. So we're going to go through their platform and figure out what we can do. And as far as volume is concerned, eventually we're going to drill it down. We're going to look at probably software versions. We'll probably look at devices. We'll probably look at carriers. We're probably looking at the connection, just to get an idea of where we can really truly maximize our profits to stay in the green and get our CPA down to where we want it to be. But overall, I think it's heading in a good direction. So the main thing that we just have to do is just monitor the spend to make sure the budget is not, I'd say we have an issue where the budget spends too fast, because our volume, because say for example, if we go in Zero Part, the volume's like super heavy, and we just run out of money really quick. And so we try to modify that, but then now we're not getting the volume we want. With Propeller ads, I would say very decent platform. Just kind of hard to say profitable whenever we're trying to increase the volume there too. So as far as the actual campaigns, looks like we're profitable, but not by a lot. Because again, it's only day 1, so I'm not really expecting it. Why is this crawling? I have reset my computer. I have only the open applications that are relevant. All right, so here's the one that we are not talking about. All right, I'm looking for grocery. Where are we at? Right here. So 2 conversions, we spent 6. No, we spent 3.69 in euros. We made €6. So far, I'm in the profit by €2, right? Our CPA is below our payout. That's where we want to be. We always want to be at €1 exactly. If it's a little over 1, we just try to get it down. We still focus on trying to get it down. So yeah, this one is doing good. And then the Ad Maven is what we need to look at next. No, not Ad Maven, Propeller. So if I go into Propeller ads, we need grocery. So this one's, we have spent $17.93 and I've made back €24 off of 8 conversions total so far. So 8, 9, 10. So that's 10 conversions in day 1. And I went in with minimal testing. Everything that I just did right now, where I increased the budgets and where we increased the CPC, happened after we got those conversions. So I hope you guys are paying attention to the little strategy that I did and kind of the angle that I took with it, and how, and kind of think about why it's working. If you are not already in the AFK forum, you need to go ahead and do so. I am going to be doing some written updates. The premium section is who gets all of my case studies and follow-alongs bit by bit. And it goes into the logic and the decision-making process and all of the optimization changes, and I track it day by day like I am with you guys in video, but it's in written format. So if you learn better by having things in writing and written out for you step by step, then you need to join the forum for that. Otherwise, just stay tuned for the next video on the playlist. It'll be something on an optimization of something, showing you guys how to drill down your zones, how to create your whitelist and your blacklist, and when they are necessary to create, and take you through the entire process. I'm possibly scaling right now. That's what I'm going to be focusing on. For everything else, I'll be optimizing and scaling. I'm not testing anymore because I know it's going to be a profitable offer. All right, thanks for joining me.
Allow me to introduce the Dijs University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dijs University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.